Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Rheinmetall showcases advanced drones, robotics and satellite systems at XPONENTIAL Europe 2026 in Düsseldorf. Rheinmetall is presenting a broad portfolio of autonomous and unmanned technologies at XPONENTIAL Europe 2026 in Düsseldorf, as the event places increased focus on defense and security for the first time. The German defense company is showcasing solutions across land, air and space domains, including drones, satellites, robotic systems and teleoperated mobility technologies. Among the key systems on display is the FE-014 loitering munition, a portable reconnaissance and strike drone designed for modern battlefield requirements. The system enables operators to observe and analyze targets before executing precise strikes, while remaining actively involved in decision-making to minimize collateral damage and improve operational control. Rheinmetall is also presenting its RV-005C UAS interceptor drone, a hard-kill system developed to counter small unmanned aerial threats. Using artificial intelligence, the drone can engage targets through collision or a warhead, even in environments affected by radio jamming, and can be integrated into wider multilayered air defense systems. In the space domain, the company is highlighting synthetic aperture radar satellites, which provide high-resolution imagery regardless of weather or lighting conditions. Through its Rheinmetall IC Space Solutions joint venture, the firm is developing a sovereign German satellite constellation to support secure, real-time reconnaissance and operational awareness. The Yarrow Cobalt, a collaborative robot designed for demanding environments, is also being showcased as part of Rheinmetall's robotics offering. Built with a robust aluminium frame and advanced sensors, the system is capable of operating in extreme temperatures and conditions while maintaining precision through vibration control and adaptable sensor configurations. Rheinmetall subsidiary Myra GmbH is demonstrating teleoperation technologies, including a driver's console and control center for remotely operated vehicles. The system enables real-time vehicle control using high-resolution video feeds, supporting safe and scalable remote driving operations in complex environments. Through its presence at the exhibition, Rheinmetall is positioning itself as a key player in the digital transformation of modern armed forces. The company emphasized its role in advancing unmanned technologies and networked operations, underlining their importance for future military capability and information superiority. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.